This is his YouTube channel. If you want to say hi, can I be on it?
Yeah, you can be on it.
Wait, what's it called?
Superior Smith. It's on my.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Mallory here, aka Agent Zero.
Oh, that was your friend.
You ain't supposed to tell them your nickname, so now when everybody see it, they will be like, now we gotta get
Wait, so go, cut out.
I'm not.
Ready, action.
There's no
Action. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Agent Zero here.
The comments.
You supposed to get in there. You twin. You supposed to get in there with it.
We gotta. What? Okay, action. Mallory, it's good. This is not for me.
I'm just saying, bro.
That's crazy. Hey man, in God we trust.
In God we trust. Oh God, boy.
Should be different.
Dig, you spin.
Oh my goodness.
Yes.
Favorite toxic couple.
You remember?
Oh, what's up? How you been? Good, chilling.
Let me know when you started the vlog, so I'll start mine.
My shit been on.
Oh, your shit been on?
Come on now.
See, I got two suction cups. They're big as shit though.
Yeah, fuck no, don't use that one.
Bro, 160. That shit comes out.
Oh, here's some styrofoam.
Yeah, that ain't it.
You have to.
That ain't it, bro. You gotta get the one I got.
Hey, yeah, that ain't it. His, how much was yours?
$120.
$2. You got a mouse trap. This bit's hard.
There you go.
$50. I like it. Just started my car.
No, it's like
That shit's a little deep
Hey, y'all, look at this big ass telescope he got in his hand.
Bye.
That's that motherfucker that shot down JFK, huh? That bitch got a sniper scope. He got that
That found out the constellation.
He got that 5.8 sniper scope from Call of Duty.
Hey, but look at that quality though, boy.
Hey, bro, you got a vlog. You ain't taking pictures. Swap lenses.
Hey, I just gotta make sure I get the best quality. You know what I'm saying?
You can watch a squirrel break lens with that.
I was gonna have a spare too.
Watch out, you start.
Keep a spare on deck.
Spare on deck, on God.
Let's put somebody in that.
It's $100 tire. It's $100 from Walmart.
So you gonna mount and balance it on the side of the road?
Let's put him inside the tire, roll him down the bitch.
If it gets me to someone gets me.
Who you gonna put in there?
He'll try to fit in that bitch.
Bro, he ain't. Hey, bro, too big to fit in there.
All I'm saying, $100 to $100. It ain't fucking 700 Prolees.
Hey, that'd be a brand new tire though. I go flat. I gotta call somebody. My tire's at the house. I'm fucked.
Hey, can you go pick this shit up real quick?
You go bring my two rears.
Bro, this shit long. I don't know. It just started. I don't know how I feel about this piece so far.
Shit, it's your meat. How do you feel about it?
It's 7:38.
You supposed to be the guy that threw the best meats in all of Okaloosa.
Nigga,
This don't look like a best meat.
it just started. we just getting started. I got here, these motherfuckers were already here.
They got Smokey and the Bandit out here though.
You seen that?
Hell yeah.
And the interior clean as fuck too.
Yeah, this bit is hard. This Smokey and the Bandit. This a real 6'6".
Boy, look at that. That's the booty band.
It's tough. T-top.
Ricky, you got a cowboy hat yet? That
I need one.
6'6", that's what it stands for. That ass 6'6".
I ain't gonna lie, this my dream car.
4-wheel disc.
Brett Reynolds.
That puts me. These cornball ass rims.
Hey, I ain't gonna lie, this my dream car. They build hard.
Hey, tell him right now. Hey, trade this shit right now. Trade it. Hey, I'll trade it.
I ain't gonna do no nut shit like that.
It ain't that deep.
If he was selling it for a couple grand, I might buy it.
That bitch is more than a couple.
I know.
He probably selling it.
I feel like he doing even
25.
This bitch all lost.
It's 25. It depends if it's matching numbers and how many miles are on it. That'd be tough. This dude right here.
Yeah, look, this car right here.
Like our microphones don't pick up everything.
I know. That's.
I was gonna pick up all my. That's a Make-A-Wish car right there.
I told her I'm not doing no editing.
Yeah, oh God. Hey, no edit.
Yeah. I'm still
Donation call. Ass right now. What's up?
If you do it. I'm not editing it out.
Might get demonetized real quick.
Well, yeah, maybe.
Hey, fuck favorite. All right, guys. So make sure you put in your bid for the carbon.
Let's walk around with a bucket, right? $100 raffle tickets, right? At the end of the day,
we just did the fucking.
Yeah.
We're like, yeah, we did the raffle already.
Don't hit everybody for their money, bro.
See the new Tinder profile. I got bands from a car meet hit me up.
Hey, bro, that nigga got an exhaust pipe on that shit.
Alabama.
That bitch got a real pipe on this shit.
That pussy ass pipe.
Look how long that
Shit fake as fuck. Look at the respect that's on. Hey,
Look how long that motherfucker is.
we need food.
Go home, we need food.
Hey, look at that pussy ass car.
No, when I was like 16, bro.
Them bitches slower than the F-150, bro.
Boy. Hey, don't tell me vloggers. Oh shit, the vlogs. Yo. Oh shit. Long time.
I don't know what the fuck they saying though.
No, my singer. All right,
Oh
so
shit,
my sister.
What's up?
My sister was a little late today, so now he got the camera. Now we get it. Now we getting serious.
This how you know he rich. He really get paid off YouTube.
On God, type shit. Hey, but look, I don't pay taxes on.
Look, y'all see how you got his boys in all black.
Hey, gotta have security and
Then
shit.
he got bro in the black look.
Some lights. Come on.
All
Hey,
black. He
so
got
we had it
security. He got that Magnum beacon. Goddamn. He in that bitch acting a fool. He just let that bitch start up. He geeking in that bitch. He can't drive with a car. Your boy can't drive with a damn. Hey, bro.
Car. He almost hit my ass, boy. Boy, you better have some good insurance, boy. Oh, shit. 4Runner is crazy.
You stupid, bro. This bitch an X5. Hey, bro, you can't have everybody in your vlog, bro.
Oh, God. Hey.
All right, let's try this a second time. You good? You good? He can't drive that motherfucker. You can't drive a single car. Shit. He had to just turn 16. It been 4 times he tried to get in that same parking spot.
Boy, I had to stick his head out.
Uh-oh. Hit that motherfucker. Hit that motherfucker for the one time.
Hey, y'all can hate on it, but this shit look clean.
Nah, they been clean.
I ain't even gonna lie, this shit. He needs some more tint. Definitely tint.
For sure. Double 5.
Oh God.
5 on the shield, but they been clean.
What do you call this color? Isn't it like
Tangerine orange.
Is that what it's called?
Yeah.
Dude, this shit's so fucking.
Yeah, it's a limited edition color. They been called though.
Damn, bro. I would drive this. I ain't even gonna lie. I would.
That be cold.
Is he on bags, or you think that's static? I think he's static.
No, with the camera, I think he might be on bad.
It's gonna be a Hispanic dude wherever he's at.
I'm crying.
Like, hey, so right here we got a
We got a up badge XXT. Excuse me, up badge SXT. It definitely has a V6 up badge. Red eye hood on it. Up badge. Demon wheel. Up badge.
I see it.
We 850's finest striker.
Hey, that's my muscle. Can I get an autograph?
Oh my god, bro. We got
He said, he look like that nigga from Monster Inc. with the three eyes and the glasses, bro.
That's fucked up, bro. Who's he talking about? He's talking about Winnie Pooh.
Fucking Winnie Pooh, bro.
He said you look like Randall, bro. That's fucked up, bro. That's fucked up.
Hold on. Right?
Goofy, bro.
That's fucked up.
How you know?
Pasó de verga.
I'm crying.
Yo,
Wait, bring it here. Bring it.
He look like this. That's not funny.
That's fucked up, bro.
Oh, we got street predators coming in.
That's the Dodge dealership, man.
This is actually used.
Oh, snap.
So he has about maybe
Willwood, when you have a portioning knob on it, the Willwood has 2 outlets and a portioning knob. So if you go to the Willwood,
It'd be hard.
don't worry, I'm getting my fucking.
He's getting real ones eventually.
Real sleeper.
Eventually, I have 185 horsepower.
Sleeper. It'd be hard.
Rick, where you at? Rick.
This ain't a pedophile's car, is it?
I don't
This ain't a pedophile's car. No, he got a different one. My fault. Ain't there a pedophile that got like a purple one or something? The one orange. Okay. No, there was one that took a whole bunch of kids.
Jay.
Yeah, it's a blue one. That's the blue one.
That one, that color, yeah, that guy. It'd be hard though.
He took him to Colorado too. That's kind of crazy.
You already know he was doing Diddy at his finest. Diddy at his finest. Yeah, he was running off on somebody.
He ain't posted nowhere. I got him on Snap.
Look at the dog dealership. They got them bitches lined up, boy. They got traffic backed up, boy.
That's the boat dock.
He's talking about the boat dock.
What's it called? The harbor. We had the harbor. Visual representation of a harbor.
That motherfucker hard, bro. I miss my M5.
Jackson. You get the harbor.
What I was posting when I was at Conjure Night in Orlando? I don't think so. So we went.
I had a wild ass dream, bro. Listen, there was a house on the beach. This dude said, cut that shit off. I'm not trying to say my stupid ass dream.
Hey, bro, it's a no edit, bro. It's a no edit, bro. It's a dream anyway. Why matter?
I did get a bunch of the.
I know that heavy ass telescope you got on that bitch. That bitch poured some cement around a water bottle and attached it to it.
Why are you making fun of my lens, bro? Look, little ass camera, boy.
Your man said it's too heavy. His small ass.
This big ass dude.
Big ass for no reason. Big as hell for no reason. Let's see how they pull up, bro.
I want to emphasize the height. Your leader did call me 6'9" snitch. I told him to respect that shit.
She wants us to take it, let me get my dress out the way. I'm a casket, put the pussy dead in my face.
Oh, look at his tag, bro. He got that illegal ass tag.
Oh, shit.
He got a big dog.
What's the dog doing?
You seen that illegal ass tag he got on his car?
You're the wrong group at all.
Send his ass straight to the prison. That Chrysler 300, look at it. It's the one you look at and you can't see. Oh, they pulled in acting a straight buffoon. Look at this cooler. Coonery at the finest. Look at that. Hit on that big, huh? Hey, you need to chill. I'm gonna up my 30. That shit too loud now. He should have pulled in on his well. That bitch is cold. God, this is acting a fool, boy.
Look, this is the same dude that has the same car.
I don't know about all this.
That bitch Alex. Yeah, that's Alex. Yeah. No, that's a real red eye. Because it's all stop. That's just a dead stop. That's it. But it ain't gonna make it sound like totally crazy. I think he got a tag. damn check engine light on. Tell him that go park, bro. That'd be loud. Chill out, G. Yeah, chill out, G.
Hey, do a burnout real quick, Alex. Come on.
What's that shit that one dude named He gonna need a motor by the end of the day. Oh shit. Oh, they brought the big body out here. They brought that big bitch out.
Let me hear.
That's that big bitch.
Keep it down.
No, they're probably joking.
And then
Yeah, that motherfucker got me.
How we doing, sir?
good.
Thank you for coming out.
You sound someone in your group told me to shut up.
We don't know him. Whoever it was, we don't know, dude.
I don't know. They're like, keep it down.
Who is it? Who was it? Go point him
I didn't
out.
see who it was.
Fuck him.
I just didn't know if this, because it's a new spot, you wanted to keep it chill, so.
If I didn't put it on
I
the
know.
flyer.
Yeah, you can act the fool out here.
Yeah,
I ain't gonna tell
anyway.
you.
No, I know.
I got big plans. And I don't need you to help me be part of it.
Okay.
I got big plans for the end of this year. I got a big event. So we got to make
Local,
it work.
or where are you going?
Caleb.
In that parking garage right there.
Oh, the Palms? Yeah, I've done, we started the Palms. We did the very first one before the exotics took it over.
You have, I'll show you what I'm going to do.
What's up, what?
What's up, man?
Hey, it just stopped. His gas mileage ass. Hit that bitch. I know his gas mileage ass.
5 max.
All the gas coming out the damn exhaust.
What up, bro?
Oh, what's up, bro?
What's up? What's up, boy?
What's up, cuz?
What's up?
I seen you that snap. You
Yeah, that was you that said that? Hell yeah, bro. You know how many people were sending me that? That shit was tough, yeah.
I didn't think you were out here, bro.
I was gonna slide. I was at work, really. I came late.
Look at this fit. This ugly shit.
Hey, you said it, bro, not me.
Ricky, what up, man?
What's up, boy?
Good, boy.
Yeah, what about you?
No blur.
No blur?
No edit?
No edit. They've been talking reckless all night. I ain't editing. Raw cut.
Raw cut. No
Y'all might. The video might be up tonight.
Tonight.
It might be up tonight.
That's how you feel it.
It might be. Yeah.
What do you back say? You want to let him?
One of them.
Come on.
He didn't want the McLaren to get hot.
Is that his? Is this his?
I'm pretty sure that's his McLaren. He drove the orange one. I think this is his. You drive the yellow McLaren.
Yeah.
You remember me?
No.
Mercedes Benz.
Yeah.
How you been?
This is the new one you just got, right?
Yeah.
Where you been?
I wrecked mine too. That's it.
Inside your car.
What's up?
Okay, bro.
How you doing? Good. Oh shit. What's going on there? Your ass got a long ass exhaust pipe, bro. Yeah. That feel like this long, bro.
You remember I got a video of whenever I did I shot a flame and I popped and you were like hell no, and you walked away. And
Yeah.
That's been a day.
That shit loud as fuck.
Woo! Like he ran right on top of the tap. It's all right. Oh, that boy Rick.
Heel figure.
Hey, what's up, bro?
Red Eye Man.
How was that time down in Texas, bro?
It was fun.
They was loving that shit. I saw your post. Niggas ain't never seen no shit like yo down there. I'm tired of seeing you out here and you don't never be fucking with us, rolling with us and shit like that, bro. I don't care, bro. You know what I'm saying?
You gotta look at what I draw, though. I can't pull up with a dog doing shit. Y'all been asking me to join for how long? Y'all don't let Germans in there?
Yeah, we do. We changed our rules. That's why we got Subies in there now.
I ain't no damn Subi.
You ain't gotta be a Subi. You qualify, bro.
Poor muscle, bro.
Look, y'all be taxing now.
We can work on that. I got your situation. I know your situation.
What you mean?
I know what you got.
What you talking about? I ain't got nothing.
I know what you got doing. Hey, look, if you interested about fucking with the club and rolling with us, we'll work that out.
Well, you know I work a lot, so I don't just pull up to every single meet though, too.
We work that out.
A lot, you gonna have to bend a couple of rules.
We're gonna have to bend a few, but we've been a few for a couple other people that don't even test. You got a job, you gotta work hard, you gotta work on how we all work. That's why we meet up so late, because people be working up until 6 o'clock.
Look, everybody say like this like a deal with the devil. Everybody say this, and that. Now when I join, don't let everything switch up.
You hear that go now.
Okay.
You feel me?
Yeah.
So we working out. If you really gonna fuck with us, we gonna fuck with you.
I got the camera.
I know you do. Like I said, we gonna take care of you. You fuck with us, we gonna take care of you.
Dallas in 2 weeks for that race. I'm friends with a buddy of mine. He has a new 170 Demon.
Who draw that one?
Oh, that's how we make it.
NHRA certified driver. He runs these sponsors.
I want to know where you get his tag from. Where you get your tag cover from?
Amazon. So I'm gonna tow this out there and do some roll racing on the racetrack. So they have
Yeah, white Mercedes. That's what you would normally buy.
drag strip. Yeah, but they race over there. Yeah, I've seen it. It's too hard on the suspension.
Who's my
So they roll race.
McLaren. That's white dude with a hat.
So
It's like a yellowish.
Yeah, he had a orange one. He had the orange one that was like fast as well. Wrecked the orange one last year.
40 at the start line.
Niggas regular players out here now.
I got momentum.
Why not?
But yeah, I'm gonna take it out there and see how it does.
Where'd you get your lights from on the inside and go around the dash?
I gotta get some footage. You got to. Yeah, Ronnie was having a rev off with him. Whoa.
I still be on the tube, bro.
Might as well. No, do that. No, don't do that. You gonna blow that bitch up.
I just rode over 7,000 miles. I was like,
yeah, look, keep a Subaru stock unless you want a new motor. Well, you got a new one though. New one. Yeah, so it might be better.
The FA24s and new motors?
Yeah.
They hold it.
Okay, so yeah, you might be good. I know the older ones though, you was gonna blow it out.
Dawson? No, I'm in it, but I reckon I should.
I'm weak.
here we go. Here we go.
Oh shit!
Dad can find love. You can find it too.
Hey, yeah, what you said?
What Ricky said.
Oh shit, we gotta. I ain't even got my chains on, look, but we fit check.
Whoa, I didn't even see them boys.
Hey, fit check.
It's you, bro. Where have you been? Sunlight.
Oh my goodness, bro.
I just had to go pack somebody this shirt real quick, because, you know.
I ain't even at it. Let's get it, fit check.
Boy.
Everybody got them.
Hey, dude. Hey, pal. Hey, dude, you want to go on my dad's boat?
Big cut off, bitch. You got no gas in that bitch? I'm finna go hype me a crash dummy up and do some dumb shit. corner. Let me put that Shit, what's up, boy? You seen that motherfucker in front of me talking about to get up under there? I said, you want to get under there? Fuck do I look like? The fuck I'm finna crawl under here while he read his motherfucker.
You know this. They don't say that.
That's really fun. It's a lot of yeah, he certified crash dummy.
He's not spinning, but he's spinning.
Certified. I got it on camera.
Cameraman, bro. He's a cameraman.
Look, if a bitch hit me, I'ma piss and shit on myself. That's 20 grand a piece.
Nah, 20 grand a piece.
I haven't seen you in forever.
Them hard.
Hi.
What's up? I'll give you a hug.
Let's get Ricky to do it.
I don't make an intro. Don't flip it. I don't do intros. I just get straight to it.
But that has a limit.
These hard though. I ain't gonna lie.
Thank you. You like mine? Mine are hard. Oh wait, that was free. That was for free.
Float that motherfucker.